7 students. Today we are going to discuss our lesson is construction. In your textbooks, the topic mentioned as construction plane figures. Construction plane figure. What is the construction? We know we already have studied the different type of plane figures: square, rectangle, triangles, right? Those are the plane figure, right? Today we are going to study how we construct these different type of plane figures. Especially in the grade 7, we are discuss only hexagon, regular hexagon, and equilateral triangle, right? Yes. First, our subtopic is construction a straight line. Construct a straight line. Straight line. You know that there are two types of lines are there. Different two types of lines: curved lines and straight line. Curved lines and straight line. See here, right? This is a straight line. This is the straight line, right? We can draw like this a straight line. This is also the straight line, right? This is same. This is a straight line, right? These are the straight line, right? Again, I draw another type of lines. These are, we call that curved lines. There are two types of lines are there: straight line, and other one is, we call that curved lines, right? Now we want to study that how we draw a straight line for a specific measurement. Now we can draw the straight line like this by using the ruler, no? But we want to study that how we construct a straight line for a specific distance, for a specific measurement, right? Right. I'm going to discuss how we construct, how we create a straight line for a specific distance, specific measurements, right? Example, construct a 15 centimeters straight line, right? Straight line. 15 centimeters length of straight line, right? Firstly, we want to do this construction. We want to do equipment. First one is ruler, other one is compass. Other one is compass, right? By using compass and straight line, I will explain how you draw a straight line with a specific distance. See here. Firstly, we want to draw the straight line without measurement, right? Like this, I will draw the straight line without measurement. After that, now we want to mark the measurement, right? Straight line AB, AB 15 centimeters straight line. First, we make some point. We call that R, some point, mark as A. In next step, right, you want to take the compass and ruler. You want to, as well as you want to get the 15 centimeters for your compass, like this, right? 15 centimeters you want to take for this, right? 15 centimeters. Yes, I take the maximum is 15 centimeters. 15 centimeters are again, this is the distance, right? Distance, you want to put the iron point in the 0, right? Next pencil should be take for the 15 centimeters. Right. See here, this is the distance. Now you want to put the iron point in this place A and draw a arc. We call that, to this line we call that arc. We called in Sinhala chape කියලා කියනවා. We called in Sinhala chape කියලා කියනවා. Now we point this is as a B, right? Now we construct the AB straight line with 15 centimeters. With 15 centimeters. For another example, I said that create the PQ, right? PQ straight line with 10 centimeters. With 10 centimeters. How we draw it? Firstly, we want to draw the, right? Firstly, we want to draw the what? We want to draw the straight line without measurement, like this, right? Like this, we want to draw the straight line. Next, we want to mark the P in here. One point is P in here. Now, take the compass and write and measure the 10 centimeters, right? And measure the 10 centimeters for the, right? Like this. Can you see that? 10 centimeters is here, right? Put in the iron point in here and draw the small arc, right? This is the Q, the place of the Q. This is the place of the Q. This length is the 10 centimeters of PQ, right? That is the way we draw the straight line by using, with measurement, by using the ruler, and next one is the, right, compass. Next, we want to study how we construct a hexagon, right? Construct a hexagon. See here, right? Construct a regular hexagon. What is the hexagon? Right? What is the hexagon? Right? Write down the note for the definitions of hexagon. Write down like this. Hexagon can be defined as a polygon, LYGON, polygon with six sides. Full stop. The dimensional shape has six sides, six vertices and six angles. Right? Hexagon is a polygon. I will draw this like this. Hexagon. There are six sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides are there. 6 sides. Next, 6 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 6 vertices. Next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 angles. 6 angles. These six sides, right? This all sides equal to each other. The sides right? Equal to each other. Right. Shall we see that? How we construct a hexagon? How we construct a hexagon? Through my note, you can read the steps. I will explain the steps how you construct a hexagon. Right? See here the board, please. For example, we want to draw a hexagon. We want to draw a hexagon. Is construct a hexagon with one side is 10 centimeters. Now we are going to construct a hexagon. The one side is how many centimeters? One side is 10 centimeters. The first step, by using ruler and compass, we can construct this. The length of the one side is 10 centimeters. There was better than 10 centimeters. Therefore, we want to take the distance 10 centimeters for the compass. 10 centimeters for the compass. We want to take the 10 centimeters. Okay. This is the 10 centimeters. I got to this. Can you see? This 10 centimeters. Right. By using this measurement, this length, this distance, firstly we want to draw a circle. Right. See here. Right. I draw a circle here. Somewhat difficult to because small one. Right. However, shall we do it? When you are draw a circle, don't use this method, this like this. You want to draw one time the circle, because I have a problem. It's very difficult to do this with the board, right? By using this measurement, right? Right. However, I draw a circle, right? However, I draw a circle with 10 centimeters by using compass. Next, right? You know that this distance is 10 centimeters. This distance is 10 centimeters. The distance is 10 centimeters. Right. Right. This distance is 10 centimeters. Now, you want to mark a specific point in here. Name point mark. After that, now draw the arc. The iron point right in here. Draw the small arc. Next, iron point draw another arc. Right. Put the iron point in here. Iron point draw a arc. Put the iron point in here. Iron point draw a arc. Iron point draw another arc. Right. Next. Sorry. Draw arc. Next, iron point එක තියන්න. Draw arc. අපි අර විදියට මේක අඳනන් එහෙම මේ arc එකත් මෙතෙන්ට එනවා. හරි. Draw arc. Like this. Draw arc. Now, දැන් අපි මොනවද කරේ? හරි. 10 centimeters distance ගිහලා ඉවර වෙලා අපි මේකේ arc ඇදගෙන ගියා. Then in the circle එකේ on the circle there are some points. Somewhat difficult to this is difficult to do because the right this is somewhat difficult to draw this in here, but I did it. See here now, draw the 6 arcs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 arcs. අපි හරියටම measurements අරන් මේක අඳනනම් final arc එක should be intersect the first arc. First arc එකත් එක්ක කැපිලා යනවා. Now we want to join. Now we want to join this arc. We want to join here. Now we want to join this arc. Right. Now we join this arc. When we join this arc, we can create the regular hexagon. We can create a regular hexagon. We can create a regular hexagon inside of the circle. Right? This is the regular hexagon with one side is 10 centimeters. With one side is 10 centimeters. ඕම තමයි අපි regular hexagon එකක් හදාගන්න. හරි construct කරන්න. කොහමද? First step is distance එක ගන්න ඕනේ compass එකට. We want to draw a circle by using this radius. This distance by using as a radius. We want to draw a circle. After that, we want to draw the arc with the, for example, with 10 centimeters distance. 10 centimeters is not a constant, according to the hexagon size of the hexagons, the distance may be difference. Distance may be changed in this equipment, right? After that, we want to join this arc each together. We can create the hexagon. Right. Next one. Construct a equilateral triangle. Next one I am going to discuss the construct equilateral triangles. Right. Not hexagon. Construct a equilateral triangles. Construct a equilateral triangles. Write down. Equilateral triangle is a triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle. All three sides are equal to each other. By their length. We call that equilateral triangles, right? According to the definition, the equilateral triangle like this, A, B, C is the equilateral triangles. A, B, C sides are equal to each other. And draw another one with the measurements. A, B, C triangle. A, B 5 centimeters, BC 5 centimeters, AC also 5 centimeters. These type of triangles we call that equilateral triangles. Right. Now we are going to construct a equilateral triangle. equilateral triangle. The example, construct a equilateral triangle with 5 centimeters, sorry, with 10 centimeters length. With 10 centimeters length. Right? Construct the ABC triangle. ABC triangle. Side is, one side is 10 centimeters. One side is 10 centimeters. Right? See here. I am going to draw this. Firstly, you want to draw a straight line. This is the base side of the triangle. This is the base side of the triangle. Next, same to that, right? We want to measure the 10 centimeters to our compass, right? We want to measure the 10 centimeters to compass. I am using you want to use the sharp pencils too here, but I am using the pen for easy for your display, but you want to use the sharp pencil, right? Next, I put the mark here, right? It mentioned as the A. Now we want to find the distance. I put the iron point in the point A and draw a small arc, right? As well as without moving this compass, we want to draw another arc here, right? I will draw another arc in here, right? I will draw another arc here, like this. Now you can move the compass. And put the iron point in this arc and draw another arc. Draw another small arc with intersecting this arc. See here, right? 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters අරගෙන මෙතන ආර්කයක් හදනවා. හරි මෙතනින් ආර්කයක් හදනවා. Now we want to join this point. Join this point. Right, like this. Like this you can join these points. Right. Now we can mark A, B, C. Right? I measure it. See here. Right. This one is definitely 10 centimeters from here. It's a 10 centimeters. As well as we want to mark the measurements in the side. 10 centimeters and 10 centimeters. This is the way to create a equilateral triangles. Yes. Today we are studied according to your lesson, grade 7 lesson. You studied that how we create the straight line by using the ruler and compass. Next we studies what is the hexagon, how we create the hexagon, how we construct the hexagon, and as well as finally we discuss how we construct the equilateral triangles. I think you get the idea about that, and I will attach the lesson notes to this video, and you can do the exercises and other additional notes, right? You can read and study the other additional notes and steps to create this one, and also you can download the notes to I send the link my website, and you can download the note also, right? Thank you.